everywhere online, you see people saying you could just publish a book, walk away, and make money for years. Sounds great, right? But here's the truth. Most people misunderstand what passive income from books really looks like. In this video, I'm going to break down the myths, the reality, and how to set yourself up for real sustainable income from publishing. Part 1, the myth of set it and forget it. Let's start with the biggest myth, that you can just upload a book to Amazon, do zero work, and watch money roll in forever. That's not passive income. That's wishful thinking. Now, one book might make a few sales, but without strategy, reviews, or more content behind it, it won't last. Amazon rewards consistency, not one-hit wonders. Real passive income takes upfront effort. You build the system, and then the system works for you. Now, part 2, what passive income really means. Now, here's what passive income from books actually is. Once your book is live, readers can buy it anytime, day or night, and without you personally selling it. Now, that is the passive part. But the active part is creating more books, optimizing your descriptions, getting reviews, and building a reader base. So the income is automated, but the setup takes real upfront work. Which brings me to part 3, the long game. Think of this like planting seeds. One seed, one book, might grow, but a whole garden produces much more over time. If you have a catalog of 5, 10, or 20 books, the sales from each one start to stack up. Now that's where passive income really starts to get powerful. You don't need every book to become a bestseller. You just need a steady library of content that keeps on selling. So finally, part 4, why AI changes the game. Here's where AI makes this more possible than ever. Instead of spending months writing one book, you can create high quality manuscripts much faster. This means you can build a catalog quicker, test niches, and scale your income faster than authors ever could 5 years ago. The hard work is still there, but AI makes it efficient and repeatable. So is passive income from books real? Yes, but it's not instant and it's not effortless. You put in the work up front, writing, publishing, and marketing, and then the royalties roll in while you sleep. And that's the real truth. And if you want to learn how I use AI to publish faster, build multiple income streams, and turn books into things like audiobooks, courses, and bundles, that's exactly what I teach inside my full publishing course. The link is below if you're ready to build your own passive income library. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.